The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
If you hear a loud thudding noise, you might be experiencing an issue known as water hammer. A water hammer occurs when running water is suddenly shut off. The rushing liquid doesn't have a place to go and slams against the shutoff valve. Avoid shutting off the water too quickly, as water hammers can damage joints and connections in your plumbing. If you are unable to shut off the water slowly due to an automatic shutoff valve, the pipe size feeding the unit may need to be changed, so you may need water hammer resistors installed in the piping system. A high-pitched whine coming from your walls could mean the water pressure is set too high. An easy fix for this situation is to lower the water pressure in the house through a pressure regulator. You can check the water pressure in your home by purchasing a pressure gauge that screws right onto any hose bib.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert.